ụfọdụ ekwu na agụ enweghị ngwa ọgụ ndị sabo na ọtụtụ ihe ndị ọzọ pụtasịrị oge anyị ụmụ ihe ụfọdụ ichere na ihe mere eji merie n'Igbo na ya bụ ọgụ.
After the war, Chukwu ajụjụ 1970 na Enugu ajụjụ Chineke we are in that way million naira, because ordinarily we shouldn't have lost that way. So if I couple ndị Igbo lọ na ụwa dịka ndị Igbo ọ bụ na ndị Igbo dị in charge of armament n'ụwa ha ga-ebunye onwe ife ya eme mmadụ n'ala Igbo obugodu na onye Kalaba oburi nwa bụrụ onye ọhafịa bụrụ onye Igbo ama eme minagi because you don't do it. I had a move for the but we were hoping that the world got free line at least stop going down stuff from ever for plan. You know, sabotage more after me my saboteur. I would have taken care of the sabotage overnight. And primarily I am able. But on Mado block line, or Britain block line. If I had London and Margova, more Bruna, Pam, Jesus Christ, anyone for an English mamma, I said, what did you say? I'm saying, you should ask me why. They said, why? You people killed 2 million of my babies with agro, wickedness. Can you come alone? Like I said, open Nigeria, open up French now govern Nigeria. Those nothing wouldn't have happened. The English people are very wicked and they're godless. Guavana mukul, farmero Chineke. Open a farmer Chineke, they would have avoided this one. Open a fast stop in Dawsa. Five bulebe bunyan Dawsa. Five bulebe Wendibo. For will you never. Well, even in never, never blockade the eye. That is, you know, Cameroon. So again, when the smuggle air Cameroons. I dare walk away now when you feel like Amado Ahijo. Oh, well, block what? Not a rat cross through that border. That was the beginning of that Bakati problem, man. You know. But that's by the way, what we're saying is that primarily, we had no guns, we had no support. England, we were France. If I look, okay, man, you have your own colonies. Who knows when to go and you support you. So the French were torn between. In the French, you check their motto says equality, egalite, and fraternity. Fraternity. That's it. You know, they had the French Revolution, so they know what it means. They know about it, they know what it takes. So they try to help us. At least person at the map Butterline of Fana White Britain. Yana ever can never ni Falisian but at least Kabali got in Kevin, you know. So what we said was Britain was 100% responsible for our problem.